Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add Tap to Cash on iPhone. Let's get started. First, update your iPhone. Go to the settings and click General and select Software Update. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later. Now enable the Apple Cash. Go back to the settings and scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Under cellular data, find Apple Cash. If it's turned off, toggle Apple Cash on. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Now you can access the Tap to Cash. After enabling the Apple Cash, you can use Tap to Cash in. Messages means send or receive money during a chat or control center for quick access. Now tap Add to cache in Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and press and hold the control area and tap Add a control. And search for Tap to Cache and add it. You can also use the Tap to Cache. Tap Tap to Cache icon in the Control Center and it opens your Apple Wallet. Hold your iPhone near the iPhone to send or receive money instantly using the Tap to Cash. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.